So now today we are going to see about date function, date and time.
Okay, sir.
And time functions in the Python. So what is this? What Python has a special class called date. Okay, what is that? Date is a class.
Okay.
So everything is a class, you know. So here date is also a class.
Class.
So now we have some special rules for creating it and the methods for working it. So we'll explore some rules and what do you say methods. By default methods, what date class have
For date function.
okay, how we will use it, reuse it is the question. Okay.
Okay.
So how we'll define, how we'll import a date time from date time. Okay. Import a date time. Import the date time. So now I want to print a date. Okay. So date is equal to dt. I will say dt. Okay. Date time dot now. Okay. If I print t, what it will come? It will print
the current time.
Current date time with the milliseconds. With the milliseconds, not only seconds, with the milliseconds also it will print. Okay. Milliseconds
yes.
We can print. So now next, how we create a date objects is the point. So anyway, we have from date time, we have imported date time. Okay. So now what we'll do, we will see how we can create what do you say date objects, Python date objects. Okay. So now we'll import a date rather than a date time. We can import a date also. Previously we imported date time. Now we have imported date only. Okay. So I'll say 2 dates. I want 2 dates. So what I'll say, I'll put in the list data. I'll say 2020, 10, 7. Okay, date. What is today's date? 27. Oh, sorry, 2021, 27, 01.
Okay, it's a year, month, year, date, month.
Year, date, and month. Okay, year, date, and month. Year, date, and month. Yes. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. Year, month, and date. It is. Okay. So now what I should do? This is okay. Year, month, and date. So now this is correct. Okay. So what are the attributes of date? I can say. Okay. What are all the attributes of dates we want to see? So we are going to see attributes of date. So that is like print 2 dates dot what do you say 2 dates of 0 dot year. Okay. Print 2 dates of 0 dot month.
Why we are mentioning 0, sir?
Okay. 1 second. Why we are mentioning 0? Because this is a list, no?
Okay, understand. Yes.
Take. Okay. So now the errors are coming. So how will manage this error? What is this error is coming about? Leading 0 singleton not promoted is prefix 0. What happened? Why the error is coming?
What if we remove 0 then?
No, what is happening here? I'm not understanding. Leading 0. The problem we'll see.
Prefix for octal integer.
I understood now. Okay, it is
Yes.
giving you first year, date, and all. Okay. So now what my point is here? We have created two dates with a new date object. Okay, which will take the date as year, month, and day as an input. We can take to the console also. We can take to the console also.
Okay.
Okay. Now we have seen about date. Now if we import for time, now we can import time also. Now I want to print time dot time. What is the time now?
It's like 8.
How to get a current time? Okay, how to get a current time? The thing is, so what we will take get the current time.
Get current. This syntax, huh?
We'll get down now. Local time. Okay,
Okay.
time dot time.
Okay.
So we can get a local time. So if you see here, now it will give you a structure time saying that year is 2021, month is 1, day is 28, hour is 8 o'clock, 38 minutes, 51 seconds. Okay, weekday, tomorrow is weekday, third weekday. Yesterday is the 20. Tomorrow, like tomorrow, yesterday is 28. Okay, so like that.
Okay.
But if I want to print a formatted time, I want to print a formatted time like this. If I want to print
Okay.
formatted time like now, what I want to do, I want to print a formatted time.
Formatted time.
A formatted time. How will I print time dot ascend time? Okay, ASCII time. Yeah,
ASCII.
not ASCII time, ascend time. Yeah, ascending time. Ascending time. So time dot local time of time dot time. So one by one we are doing time dot time we saw, local time we saw, and then ascending time we saw. So what is happening? Thursday, Jan 28, 8:40, 20,
In this
21.
format.
We got
Okay.
the answer. So now
Yes, sir.
we'll go to see one more method inside the time that is called sleep. Sleep inside the time. So inside the time, so we have time now. For I in we saw range function also. You remember the range function 0, 5. Okay, 0, 5 of print of I. What is this? Print of I. Normally, if you do every time you print, but what I want to do, I want to sleep it by 2 seconds. Time of sleep of 2 seconds. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2,
Okay.
1, 2, yes, 1, 2, yes, 1, 2, yeah, done.
Okay.
Okay,
0 to 5. Some 0 to 4.
0 to 4 only, no, it will print. Okay.
Okay.
So now, what if I want to print without a timestamp, without a time? So I can import directly datetime module. The datetime module enables us to create a date object. Already we saw. Okay. So now from these modules, what we saw only how to create a do a time manage the time access and all we saw. But date and all we are not able to see with the time. So in order to overcome this, we need to go to time. What is a date time? Okay. This will be like daytime only visa. Daytime example, one visa. So in daytime, I want to print the current daytime. What is that? I want to print a current daytime. So now how will I import daytime? Import daytime directly, we can say. Okay. So now what I want to print daytime dot now. What is that?
Now.
Now is a function. Now is a function. Yes, now is a function. So now if I print this, what will happen? The exact current date and time with the milliseconds it came. Right? So now how will I create an object, a daytime object? Already we saw how to create a daytime object. Right? So I want to do a comparison of two date and time. Two dates. Comparison of two dates by using greater than, less than, or equal to comparisons. Okay. So if I want to do a comparison of two dates, what will happen if, okay, so what I will say, import datetime as dt, so that I can write less work dt dot datetime. Now what will I do? Dt dot, what do you say, dt of dt dot now, now comma, no sorry, dt dot now year comma dt dot now dot month comma dt dot now dot day comma 8. Okay, so it compares the time between 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. Okay, compare the time between 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. So or what we'll say, not 4 p.m., we'll say 10 p.m. Okay, how should I do now? So whether it is less than, what do you say, dt of, okay, dt dot now comma dt dot now dot year, sorry, dt dot now dot year comma dt dot now dot month comma dt dot now dot day comma 10 p.m. right? 10 p.m. What is 10 p.m.? 22. Yes? 22. So then I'll say it is my working hour because I'll work till 10 p.m. It's my working hours. Else I'll say fun hours or non-working hours. What is that? Non-working hours. Non-working hours. So date comparison Python.
Comparison spelling.
No problem here. What is the error we are getting? Invalid syntax. Why invalid syntax? After that, we didn't keep a colon, right? So that's why invalid syntax. So that's the reason. Attribute has
Module data has no attribute now.
no attribute, Nova. Where is the line number? Line number 12 here only, right? What is happening? Attribute module name, date time. Oh, where is error boss? Why it is not coming? Okay, I got it now. Oh, this is dt dot now. Okay. Okay, dt dot now. In between, it should be there, right? But
Yes.
now it is not coming. It is saying no, it's not there. Oh. Why now it's not coming? I'm not understanding. No. Okay, we'll see this particular part later on. Okay, we'll see this particular part. I'll help you in this particular part later on. But just date and time we need to access, we can access. Now I want to import a calendar. What is this? Calendar. So I have calendar is equal to calendar dot month. Which month I want? 2020, comma second February month I want 2021. I will say 2020 is not a exact. I don't want 2020 any date. I'm fed up of 2020. Already full troubles. Now you see. So now I can what I can do? I can put in a loop and I can print whole. What do you say? Whole calendar month, right? So how can I do that one? So how can I do that one? It's like for I in range of 1 comma 12 or 13. 12 13 13.
Yes, sir.
13 will say
Title for
13 will say and will say I. So that is indentation should be there, right? That indentation should be there. So now if I start running, so all the
calendar, the whole calendar will show.
whole calendar, whole year calendar we are going to show.
Yes.
So this is a year calendar. The whole year. So without a loop, I want to print. Without a loop, I want to, without a loop, I want to print. So how can I print? S is equal to calendar dot PRK of 2021. Okay, 2021. So now parenthesis. So what will happen? So it is printing you, I think. Actually, it is not. Now, if you observe here, this one, if you see now, what is coming? It is giving you a whole calendar, right? 2020 whole calendar. It was. Right? 2020 whole calendar. 2020 whole calendar, we got it. So now from this, what did you understand? Data time has a lot of options.
Yes, sir.
To give you the data and time, what is a in Python.
Okay. Date and time, also calendar.
Date and time and the calendar. So all these things will give us what is lot of functionalities like calendar. I can go for what do you say, date, particular date. Okay.
Hmm. Yes, sir.
Like current date, I want to print in different formats. That is also possible.
Hmm.
Okay. So how to get a current time? How to get a current time? It is using time module. Right?
Yes, sir.
It
Time
is.
module. Yes, sir.
So what is the time dot now? With using daytime module also we can go. With using time module also we can go.
Yes. Sir.
So now I want to create a current time, current time of a time zone. If I give a time zone, it should give me a current time. So what do you mean by time zone? What do you mean by time zone?
Time?
Time zone, time zone,
Hmm.
time zone. Do you remember time zone?
Yes, sir. I've heard.
Time zone like GMT, maybe GMT, India, what is it?
Yeah, GMT. Yes, yes. Like ISD, Indian Standard Time, something like that, sir.
Indian Standard Time. GMT means Greenwich Meridian. Okay. So those
Hmm.
time things.
Okay. Yes, sir.
So now that particular we can try and see.
Hmm.
So we saw sleep also, right? We saw sleep also. Sleep will take how many time, how many seconds we need to sleep. Okay? So we suspect
Yes.
many seconds. So it has been introduced in 3.5. Sleep has been introduced in Python 3.5.
3.5.
Python 3.5.
Hmm.
So now we can do like once we are aware of what do you say, everything.
Hmm.
Okay, what we can do, we can print all the information like okay. So now I want to print a digital clock. Okay,
Yes, sir.
I want to print a digital clock. How I will print a digital clock using date time.
Okay.
Okay, now that particular date time digital clock. Digital clock means what and all you print. What and all you print in digital clock. What and all you print.
I don't understand you, sir. Your voice is not clear. It's increasing and decreasing automatically.
What actually what you meant by digital clock?
What do you mean by
Digital clock. Digital clock.
digital clock? Okay.
Yes. So
I
now
know there is
we will
analog
see a
clock
digital.
and digital clock.
So now from time we know that time is there. From time we are going to import STRF time. What is that? STRF
STRF time.
time. From this STRF time, I will print the whole time. So every time when I want to print, every time I want to print. This is a while loop.
Okay.
So print.
Hmm.
What do you want to print? I want to print a STRF time. RF time. This is a function. It will take STRF time will take parameters like small percentage m, small m, percentage small d, percentage small y.
Okay. Monday year.
Yeah, y. Okay. Y.
Yes. Sir.
And percentage h colon percentage m colon percentage s. This is comma
Yes. Sir.
end
Um,
is equal to colon comma plus is equal to true.
mhm.
So now my
Flush.
point Flush means I want to clear out the time once the time has been printed out. Okay. You want to remove and I want to retain back like carriage return I want to do. So slash is R is a carriage return. Slash R is a carriage return. I'll come back to the same position again, right? So how your digital clock will run? In that way I'm saying. Okay.
Okay.
So that's what we want to see. True. Okay. So time dot sleep of 1 second only I want. After every second, cancel. What is the problem? Undefined name type. So strf time of sleep. Okay. Start running. Whether this is there, we'll see. So now we will import time also. So what it is happening? It is printing the time, right?
Yes, sir.
It is printing the time, but it is not printing actually the way we need it, right? Now what we can do one more change here. We can add date time also. Okay. Other than time, date time, strf date time. Here is also date time. Okay. Date time dot strf this one. I'll stop it. Okay. Keyboard interrupt came. Keyboard interrupt. Now what I'll say now is equal to date time dot now. Okay. So that's nothing but no. If I do this, okay. So this way we will print the data. Okay. One second, be on the call. 1 second. Hello. Meeting again. Okay. So now it is printing you time, right? Exact time.
Yes.
You see, this is printing a format at particular format. Why? See, after some time, it is giving you space first time. Like once the value has been printed out, so it is returning to carriage return. It is returning to next line. You understood?
Yes, sir.
So this way you can see now.
So every second it's updating. So.
Every second it is updating. So now what we can do in every Power Python program, we can by default import date and put the time.
Okay.
So that is also very good. Right?
Yes, sir.
So that's where date and time will be helpful to you.
Date, time, calendar, and time with digital format.
Time format. This and that will help us.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
actually where this module will help us.
Yes, sir.
Where this module will help us is what we need to understand. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now we will see in-depth time and dates. What is it? There is like in-depth time and date itself we can go. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We will cover it once we practice these things. Okay.
Hmm.
So now my point is what you say here. If you observe, we can go to another example. Okay.
Hmm.
So that is like what you say. We can go in depth. Actually, the data science in depth we can go. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now, so now in a time, I want to print what you say today's week. Okay.
Come again, sir. You want to print?
Today's week. Today's week. What is today's week?
Okay. Which week of the month?
Correct. Which week of the month?
Hmm.
Which week of the month? Okay. So now how we will do? From date time.
Hmm.
From date time. Import date. Import. Mhm. Import date class.
Hmm.
Now what will happen? We have imported a date class. From date, what I can print is print dot date dot today. Okay. Today is a function. Today is a function. So if I print today, okay, I need to hard stop it. Okay, keyboard error came. So then only it will print. Otherwise, that will be keep on printing. So today's date we got. But what I want, I want
A week.
today I want date. Okay, so that is okay. So now I want in a format of what you say first day. Okay, I want in the format of
Hmm.
first day.
Hmm.
Okay. So what is that? First day. Today dot day. Okay. Today dot
Hmm.
day,
Oh.
comma today. Sorry. Day dot today dot month, comma
Hmm.
day dot today dot what do you say year.
Yeah.
So if I print this, what will happen? So it came as 28/1/2001.
Okay. Like date, month, and year.
So I want to print weekday. I want to print a weekday.
Week. Hmm.
Weekday. So how can I print weekday? Print
Hmm.
day dot today dot weekday.
Hmm.
What is a weekday? It will tell you 3. So now you need to understand the weekday starts from 0. That is Monday is
Okay.
0, Monday is 0, Tuesday is 1, Wednesday is 2, Thursday is 3. So today is a Thursday.
Yes, sir.
So
Hmm.
tomorrow is a Friday, it will be a 4 for you.
4. Okay.
You understand?
Yes, sir. It starts with 0. Right.
It starts with 0.
Hmm.
Now, how we will print a current time with the date object? With the date object itself, we can print a current time. Okay.
Hmm.
So now how I will print? How I will print? How many? So how I will print date time? So date time. So now from a date time you have imported a date. Okay.
Import.
Now from a
From
date.
date time import time.
No, rather than import time, what we'll say from a date time itself, directly we'll print a, what do you say, not day, from date time, we'll not take date, we'll take date time. Okay, if I want
Okay.
to go for a full diagram of the date, I will go for date time. If I want only date, I will go to date. Why date time is there?
Okay.
Date time is for complete with a milliseconds.
Day and time. Okay. Okay.
No, I want with a milliseconds, I'll go to date time.
Okay.
Okay. I want only with the date. I want to only play with the date. I will go to date class.
Okay.
These are classes again. Okay.
Hmm.
Clear now. When I will go to date, I will go to date when I want only a date and weekday and a month. So now I want only this one. If I want a date in a day, I want a time. I will go to daytime.
Okay.
I will go to date time. Right? We saw date time already. We saw date time, right? So now date time, it was printing you date time. That now means it is giving you with milliseconds. It was printing you, right?
Yes.
So that is the one more point. So now we will see one more example. Okay, we will see one more example. Let us declare. We saw now day of the week is 3. Weekday is 3. How it is 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Right?
Yeah.
So it is the fourth day of the week. It is the third 3.
Third.
So let us consider. So we have what do you say days. Okay, we have days
Day.
like Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, this is the days we have.
Yes. Yes.
So now what I want to do, I want to print. So now I want to print a day of every week. Okay, day of
Every week.
day of every week. Okay, day of like today is number. Today's number. Like what you say? What is the number? Today's number is 3. Right? Weekday. So now I want to print a day for everyone. Day for everyone means how will I print? Huh? How will I print? So now we will see how will I print. Okay.
Yes.
So how will I print now? If I want to print this, how can I print?
Can we import from date time?
So now what we want to do? We want to import. We want to import from date time. Date time. Okay, date time. Date time. Import date time. Import date first. Okay, I want date. So we
So from that time.
Time import date. Import date. So now we have date here. So from date what we can find out. We saw that like what you say W is equal to weekday is equal to date dot weekday of what do you say? Today I want. Today means from where I will get? I get from date time. Today, right? Today. So date time, import date time. Okay. So I'll say today is equal to what do you say? Date time dot now. Now. So it gave me today. Now for this week, what is today? I want. Okay.
Mm.
What is today? I got it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now this is the way we will write. Now we have a list. Now what do you need to print? We need to print. What do you say? Percentage D, comma, today. What is today? What is today? I'll print. What is today? I'll print. Okay. So what is the problem now? Invalid syntax is saying. I think it is not cancel. Okay. So now what I want to print for every day. Okay. Print days of WD. Okay. Print days of WD. What did you name? Data timer. Okay. That is wrong actually. Now it got right. So just we were saying day. Okay. So the day was like that 3. It has printed. Correct.
Yes.
So day it was 3. It from days we have taken days of 3. What is days of 3? Thursday.
Thursday.
That is also day for us.
Yes.
Okay. So now we saw STRF time, right? STRF time. What is STRF time? STRF time.
We got error in that one, sir. Right?
That's what we see now. That's what we see now. Okay. So from datetime, import datetime. Okay. Now what I will say, datetime now is equal to datetime dot now. Okay. Now what we'll say, print now dot strf time.
What does that mean, sir? STRF?
I'll tell you. Okay. So which will take y as a capital Y as a year, Y as a year. Anything is there. Small y or capital Y.
Okay.
So if I see capital Y, small y or capital Y, if I run this, what will come? 2021. Okay. So now I want to print a month. So what should I take? Month means
M.
no D.
D. Right?
January. So we print January. Okay. They have defined as standards. Okay.
Okay.
So now if I want to print, what do you say, day? Day means D. Okay. That is 28.
So for month we are using B letter.
Yes. For a weekday.
Weekday.
A. What is a weekday?
Thursday. Yeah. Okay.
Now you understood?
Yes, sir.
STRF time is used to format, like a string format time. It is STRF time is string format time. Okay.
String format. Okay.
So now the function uses different control code. So that's what each control code resembles a parameter like month, year, weekday, date. Okay. Very small. Okay. Now, if I replace with the capital Y with small y. So what will happen? It came to 2 digits. It was,
yes, only 2 digits, right?
It was 4 digits.
Yes, it becomes 2. The last 2.
It came to last 2 digits.
Okay.
So I say like capital D, what will happen?
Hmm.
Capital D, what will happen? So it will give you a
So
complete date.
complete. Okay. What about B, sir? B.
Small b, okay? Small b.
Hmm.
It gave Jan,
Jan.
okay?
Okay.
It gave small a. What will happen? It gave two.
Okay. Understood.
So why small a, why capital? You need to understand.
Yes. Understood.
So abbreviations are coming. Abbreviations are coming. Okay.
Yes.
So now, apart from this, we have some more things to see. That is C. C means time. Indicates local date and time. So capital C. First we'll see about capital C. Local date and time. What is the local date and time? After Thursday. After Thursday, what is the fifth one we are printing? 20. Okay. So
20.
what we'll see? Small c. Small c. So now if I see small c, it will give you complete day. This one it was giving you. Okay. It is giving you.
Yes.
Whereas now we want to see capital C. So what will happen? It will give just that particular 20.
20.
Okay. So 20.
Okay.
So now, rather than that, what we'll say? Small x. What is x? X indicates local date again. So which is same?
Okay.
Which is one and same. D and D again.
D and X.
D and X. So if I see capital X, what should happen? Okay, it is giving you again with a full time.
Like a digital format.
Digital format. Yes. Digital format. Yes, local time. It is indicating you a local time. Okay. You understand? Are you clear now? Hello, Fatima? Okay. Now I say capital I. Now I say